Hello, science and space enthusiasts! Today we're going to talk about the planet Uranus. Are you ready to explore the fascinating features and hidden secrets of this ice giant? The cold and windy world. It's a very cold and windy world, by 13 faint rings and 28 small moons. What sets it apart from other planets is its almost 90-degree tilted rotation. Tilt makes Uranus spin around the sun like a rolling ball. Naming Uranus was the first planet discovered with the help of a telescope. 1781 by astronomer William Herschel. Herschel thought it was a comet or a star. 2 years later, thanks to observations by astronomer Johann Elert Bode, it was universally accepted as a new planet. To name it, Georgium Sidus, after King George III, named Uranus, after the Greek god of the sky. Life. Uranus's environment is not conducive to life as we know it. Pressures and materials here are likely too extreme and volatile for organisms to adapt to. Distance. With an equatorial diameter of 31,963 miles, 5,118 kilometers, Uranus is 4 times wider than Earth. The size of a nickel, Uranus would be about as big as a softball, about 1.8 billion miles, 2.9 billion kilometers, away from the Sun, which is approximately 19 astronomical units. About 2 hours and 40 minutes to travel from the Sun to Uranus. Rotation. A day on Uranus lasts about 17 hours, while a year, in Uranian time, is equivalent to about 84 Earth years. 30,687 Earth days. A unique axial tilt of 97.77 degrees, which results in the most extreme seasons in the solar system. Quarter of each Uranian year, the sun shines directly over each pole, plunging the other half of the planet into a 21-year-long dark winter. 28 known moons. Of other planets, Uranus's moons are named after characters from the works of William Shakespeare and Alexander Pope. Uranus's moons are composed of water ice and rock. Uranus has 2 sets of rings. Rings consist mostly of narrow, dark gray rings, while the outer rings are reddish and blue, are named in order of increasing distance from the planet. And structure Uranus formed about 4.5 billion years ago, along with the rest of the solar system, made up of a hot, dense fluid of icy materials, water, methane, and ammonia, surrounding a small rocky core. Gas gives Uranus its blue-green color. Atmosphere. Uranus doesn't have a true surface. Swirling fluids. A spacecraft would be destroyed by the extreme pressures and temperatures if it tried to pass through its atmosphere. There is mainly hydrogen and helium, with a small amount of methane and traces of water and ammonia. Uranus has an unusual, irregularly shaped magnetosphere. The magnetic field is tipped almost 60 degrees from the planet's rotational axis, and is offset from the center of the planet. The magnetic field lines to twist into a long corkscrew shape. Follow us for more fascinating information about this captivating planet. Like, share, and subscribe. See you in our next video.